Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is committed to provide insightful information, helpful hints, and a practical advice for you to successfully navigate the enormous ways of make money online. So please make sure that you are subscribing my YouTube and let's jointly take advantage of all online money making chances that are there.
In this video, I'm gonna show how you can earn money by watching the video. I put the website link in description below. Then you can sign up on that website. Even you can download the application on the Android or iOS. Then you can start earning money. As you can see, this is my account balance. Now you can start earning by clicking on the video. After that, click on the view, then click on it. Then as you can see, it start countdown. Okay, after the given time is end, your account balance can be added. So this amount can be added to your account balance. As you can see here, it is automatically added to my account balance. Now you can do this by this way. Let us see more, view, then click on it. Okay, as you can see here, the given time is 10 seconds, so it start countdown. So now this amount can be added to my account balance. Okay, but this way you can earn more. Okay, but the amount you can earn depend on the second given for you. It may be 20 second or 10 second. Okay, it's maybe depend on the given time. Behold that, as you can view more video, or you can earn more dollars. Okay, the more you can view your video, you can earn more amounts. Okay, another way, the best thing about this site is if you can open it on automatic action, it is automatically view videos on your smartphone without doing nothing. Okay, I will show step by step. Follow me. Okay, come here and click here. After that, click on macros. Then step 1, click on this one. After what, it directs to download the app. Okay, since I downloaded it, no need of download again. Now I'm going to open it. Okay, next step, and step 2, download this file. Okay, clicking on the file. Since I downloaded the file, you can download it. Okay, now we are directly open. Now we are going to open directly the macro draw it. Okay, the way you can earn more by inviting your friends here. This is your referral link. Here, by copying this referral link, you inviting your friends and earn extra money. Okay, now at the end, let us show payout method. Okay, here clicking on payouts, here you can see the withdrawal details. You can withdraw it through pair, out of cash, or Tron TRX or the Dogecoin after reach the minimum withdrawal requirement. Okay, for pair it is 1 USD, out of cash is 1 USD, Tron is 1 USD, all other thing is 1 USD. Okay, then you can enter this here your wallet address, then you can, after solving this captcha, you directly request payouts. Okay, this is all about it. Thank you.